Hey friends, wanted to do a quick video, show you guys a common call that we get when outdoor lights aren't working. This customer just called us, let us know that their lights aren't coming on. We got out here to check it. Here's what we found. All right, gang, so most of your exterior outlets are going to be controlled by a GFI in the garage. You can see this one here, the little light's not on. So this thing is tripped. I'm going to go ahead and reset it. You can see the green light's on now. So now we should have power back at our transformer. So we'll check that out here real quick. Okay, gang, we're back over here on the side of the house where the electrical outlet is. This is the one that was not working. I'm gonna put my tester in here, plug that in. You can see my lights are back on. We got power back here. So if your lights aren't working, be sure to check the GFI outlets in your garage. Also check your circuit breakers. This will save you a service call. Thanks for watching.